YouTube? It's your boy, I think Scat, back with y'all with another video. And today's video, we're gonna do a little unboxing, but it's not gonna be a mod for the car. It's definitely gonna be something that I need to help me be better with my YouTube videos and things like that. Currently, I have to use my hand to hold the phone and things like that. I mean, I got my phone right now sitting on a little tripod that I brought, a little $20 tripod I got off Amazon. So I went ahead and invested some money into myself and into my YouTube channel, and I went and bought a DJI Osmo 3 tripod. So that's what we're gonna unbox today. Let y'all take a look at that, tell me what y'all think, and got a number of great reviews that I've seen on it. Had a lot of good reviews on Amazon, that's why I brought it off. So we'll go ahead and unbox this, take a look at it, and kind of go from there. All right, so we back. This is what I got right here. Is the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. It's made by DJI. DJI is the same people, for people that don't know, who make the drones. They like leading right now in the drone industry. So they make these little handheld tripods. I saw someone had one on one of their, not Instagram, one of their YouTube pages I was looking at. And I was like, oh, that's pretty neat. So I reached out to them and decided to do some research to find it, and I found it on Amazon. So this one is combo one. This is the combo pack. It comes with, as you can see, a case, a tripod stand, and I think there's some other things in here as well. We'll have to open it up and take a look. But this one was $119 on Amazon. Yeah, like $119. I mean, they had another one that was like $150, but it wasn't a combo. It was just a regular tripod. It didn't come with like everything that's in this box. So we'll go ahead and open this up, take a look at it, and see what's all in here. All right, like I said, we got the Osmo 3. It's made by DJI. Like I said, I got it off Amazon. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Okay, right off the back, got your little case. Got another box here. So there's probably some accessories or something that's up in there. Empty box. Alright, package pretty good, so move that to the side. Alright, let's see what we got up in here. Okay, so up in here, what y'all see is the actual tripod. Let's take it out. Okay, little handheld, nice little grip to it. So that's how you open that up. And put your little phone in here. All right. Can't really show y'all what it looks like with the phone because I'm currently recording with my phone, but another video to come on that. But so far so good. I mean, I definitely like it. Looks like it's durable. Looks like it'll definitely last. So, all right, let's set this to the side real quick. All right, got another little. This is like a. Put it on your wrist, and you hook this to the tripod so that way you drop it, it won't fall. Don't know what these little. Oh, these are anti-slip pads. So I guess you put this on the bottom of the tripod to keep it from sliding. If you're on like a slick surface or something like that, to keep it from moving. So that's a plus. That's about it. Case is empty. So that's a nice little case though that it comes in. It's almost like the case that the drones come in, like the DJI Minis. They come in a little case like this. All right, let's see what's in this box. All right, looks like, okay, little carrying bag. So if you don't want to carry this around, then you got your little bag right here. So you can just put it in there, a little drawstring bag, and carry that around. It's pretty neat. Give you the option of either or. So I definitely like that. That'll definitely come in handy. So, let's see what else we got. Okay, and this is the tripod. Kind of small, but ergonomical. It'll get the job done. Let's take a look. Open it up. Okay, like 3 blades. Set it down on the surface. I'll hook it up to the tripod and give you guys a view of what it looks like. So, but that's that. So let's set that to the side for now. Let's see what else we got in here. Looks like we got one more thing in here. Of course, you got your instructions, but who reads that really? All right, that's it for that. And lastly, it looks like you got your charger, your USB connector. This is a USB-C connector, which I already got a bunch of these because I got a Samsung Galaxy phone, and that's what they use for the charger. But yeah, it looks like it takes the USB-C connector, so there's nothing fancy about that. That's all that is. So let's see. Like I said, this actually is pretty dope, pretty nice. Like I said, I can't really turn it on and show you guys how it works because I'm actually recording on my phone. So another video will come with that. I have to get my other camera and do a video on that to show you how it works. But I think this is definitely something that'll come in handy as far as vlogging and things like that. So I don't have to keep holding my phone with my hand trying to do the videos and things like that. So let's see, let's put it on the tripod and see what it looks like. So I just twist on the bottom. And this is the little slot right here, if you guys can see where that one piece, where this goes. So you take this and you hook it in there, and that way you can, like, it's like you can carry it around, things like that. But it's on the tripod. Let's open it up. All right, that's it, standing on the tripod. I think it actually looks pretty good, and I've heard, like I said, the reviews are great, and this thing's supposed to have anti-calibration, so it'll keep the phone from shaking, from moving, and things like that, which is always good because you don't want your videos rattling and shaking when you're trying to make videos. But it also has a motion detection on here too, so it'll move once it picks up the motion. You can activate it to track whatever it is sensing. So, like, if it's on my face, it'll track my face. The camera will move with my face. So I think that's great as well. Can't wait to see what that feature is like. But let me give y'all a better view of what it looks like. Let me grab this camera. But there it is right there, as you can see. It's on the tripod. Turn to the side. Like I said, I think it's pretty good. It's very sturdy too. It's not like it's going anywhere. And my kitchen table's not slick, so, you know. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, we'll know much better once I actually use it, you know, and go from there. You know, got the 85-inch back there in the background, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But yeah, overall, I think it looks pretty great. Can't wait to use it. You know, the grip is very good, sturdy. You know, like I said, I think it's something that'll definitely come in handy for me to help me when making these videos for y'all, so that we don't have to keep holding my phone in my hand. You know, even though it's not that bad, but still, you know, it sometimes can be a nuisance, you know. But, and then plus, I figured, why spend all the money to go buy like a GoPro or one of them expensive cameras when I got a phone that got, to me, one of the best top cameras out there. You know, I got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and to me, that camera is flawless. I feel like it's better than any other high-priced camera you can go out there and buy. So why pay all that money to go buy a new camera or GoPro? Because I saw a GoPro and it was like $600. So why do that when I got a phone I can use? Just got to find the right components to go with it. I think this would be great. So we'll see how the videos turn out. I know when you're using this, you got to go through the DJI app. That's how it syncs with the tripod and syncs to your phone, because it's all through Bluetooth. So like I said, overall, I think it's great. You know, the accessories with it are great as well. Can't wait to see how good this thing works. Check it out. Definitely will let y'all know the reviews on it once I use it. Like I said, I'll try to get y'all some videos with me using it, so you guys can get a better view of that. Other than that, I think that's about it. It's your boy, Scat, signing off with another video. I'm out.